Screw, torque 20, torque 30, 3 screw. Torque 30, 2 screw, sorry, 2 screw from down, torque 20. 3 screw, torque 30. Another 2 screw. Torque 25. All clips, like Volkswagen clips. It's already Volkswagen. Bentley. Volkswagen jack. Plugs. Okay. All the clips up. We pull it up and it's out. Take out the window regulator. To check the lock. It's not going to open from out. It's opening only from inside. From outside, we cannot open. So we have to take the window in order to take all this panel out. So I think you have to take 2 speakers to reach to the window. I think it's okay, we can reach the window. Madeleine! Actually, we don't need to take a speaker out. There's 2 holes here. There's 2 covers. 1 hole here. You take out the window and you don't need to take it out all, just to lose it a little bit. And yeah, the same. This one here inside. And this is the window, is just to lose it and pull up, it will go out. So you don't need to take it all out. So this piece is pain in the ass to put it. Just going up and down. This piece. Actually, we don't need to take it out anyway. You just to lose a screw. This was you lose it the right side. So the problem was this one. We cannot open the door from outside. Actually, they make paint. They paint it. We discover this after we disassemble. This is Golf Volkswagen way. You can take this. It was too much inside. We take it outside. We put it inside. This clips here. This one, it was too much inside. We put it outside. It's working from outside now. We can open the door. 1 time left. Again.